What's up guys? As you saw in the last video, Owen gave his motor some rod knocks. So what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be going and getting his motor and we're going to be putting it on the engine stand. We're going to be tearing into it and we're going to see what we need to order. He did order a basic rebuild kit for it, bearings, pistons, wrist pins, rings, like that stuff, but we're going to be tearing into it to see if we need to order anything else. And so yeah, let's get it on the engine stand and start tearing it apart. Alright, we're gonna zip these valve covers off and pull the heads off next. Okay. Now that we have that bracket off, we can pull the heads off and see what it looks like in there. Alright, I just pulled out the push rods and the rockers. I got all the bolts out for the head, except for one on each side. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those off and pull the heads off. Yeah. Go sit you guys up on the tripod over here. All right, let's pull these heads off. I'm gonna start with this one probably. So let's get it done. There she goes. There we go. Yeah, it's a little heavier than what I'm used to. There we go. Heads are off. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil now, and I'm going to flip it around, pull the oil pan off, and see if I can pull the pistons and rods out. All right, just got to pull it back in the garage. Got the main caps off. Got all the bearings out of the rods and the mains. And everything looks pretty nice. The crankshaft looks pretty good. No scoring really on it. We'll polish it up too. We still got the mains at the bottom here because you obviously got to pull the crankshaft out for that. I do have to rent a harmonic balancer puller, and I have to figure out how to take these off for the flex plate. Then we can pull the crank out and then pull the cam out after, and then this will be pretty much a bare block after. Once we have everything out, we're gonna go ahead and wash everything really good and paint it. And then we're just a matter of waiting for the new parts to show up, and then we will reassemble this. We're gonna be plastic gauging the clearances on both the mains and the rods. We're gonna check the flatness on the block and everything. So gonna do it pretty legit. I do have filler gauges to set the ring gaps and everything. Got a nice torque wrench, so this shouldn't be too hard to do. I have built a couple motors in the past. So yeah, like I said, just pull the crank out, pull the cam out, and everything will be disassembled. All right, just went to AutoZone, rented a harmonic balancer puller kit, and got it all hooked up. So we're just gonna crank this sucker down and pull this harmonic balancer off. There we go. Easy. Nice and back. I think we want to pull the camshaft out too. It has this little, I think it's called a thrust plate that we have to take off, and then you can pull the cam out.
Ooh, that's...
Okay, I greased it.
Shit, I was gonna drop that.
Mint. Now 10 mil, 10 mil, 4 10 mils, and then dang, that's a big old rear main seal.
I know.
Yeah. Cool. We'll probably do a couple of some videos. Jeez, what is that? I'm gonna like kind of RTV'd on.
Yeah, it should just pop off.
That's fine. Nice. On this last main here. this guy should be here anytime, like tomorrow to Monday.
Nice.
So. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video on rebuilding Owen's 4.3 liter V6 here. We get a lot of good stuff, a lot of good parts in, and this thing's gonna make some power and hopefully last for a really long time. So if you guys like the video, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.